Smaller footprint's essential for hydrogen projects. Ohmium's comprehensive package makes our solution very dense and one of the best for hitting that small footprint. Now, why is that important? More engineering time, more construction time. Also, if you have a large service area requirement, then these sizes and costs start to escalate. In Ohmium's case, with our third generation, we're now at something like a 5 times increase in the density of our product, where it's 29.7 square meters per megawatt. Let's imagine what that would look like. It would look like the space of a 40-foot container managed hard up against the next one. Boom, 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 where these are truly abutting each other and designed to go vertically as well if needed. So now, if a project has a fixed land space, or simply to lower the cost of a project, we've got the best possible solution. Again, it's about keeping the CapEx and the OpEx as low as possible.